Hello students. So here we are with the topic berufer. Yeah. In the previous nouns which I had taught you all, the nouns, the second part nouns, kino, kinos, those nouns chart which I had taught you all, in that noun chart you had seen this vocabulary berufer. Yeah. So please go back to your nouns form. Yeah. And just check what is the meaning of beruf. Though I am going to tell you the meaning, you first go back, revise what is beruf, and then come to this page. If you know the meaning of beruf, which is already there in your nouns chart, part 2 of nouns, if you have already known the word, stop the video, write in the comment section what is the meaning of berufer, and then come back to this video. Berufer means professions. So today we are going to learn professions, male profession and female profession. Though this is a noun page. Yeah, these are nouns only, but these are not singular and plural. These are only male profession and female profession given to you all. In the margin, I have written the meanings of those which can be difficult to understand. But of those which I haven't given, the meaning is same like in English. So let's start without wasting time. The first word, arst. A-R-Z-T. We already know A for apple is nothing but A in German. A. Arst. Okay? R, try to make a sound of R first and then Z-T. Arst. Okay? R and then arst. Z and T. In the female profession, A with 2 dots are mentioned. So we cannot say arstin. That's wrong. We have to say airstin. This has a sound of A like a goat. Goat never does ma. Goat says may. So A sound. Okay. Airstin. Techniker. CH is sh. Technikerin. Both the sides sh. Techniker. Technikerin. Now students, when you are trying to learn this female part, first try to learn the male profession. When you know it, you just have to add in at the end to the few vocabularies. So don't read it thoroughly, or you will try to read it in English. Then the pronunciations might go wrong. So first try to know the word techniker, technikerin. Techniker, technikerin. So let's start only with the male nouns first. And then we will jump to the female nouns. Techniker. Taxifarer. H. Sometimes a bit silent, it is fine. Taxifarer. Taxifarer. Student. Stu. Stu. Okay, stu. U sound. Double O. Like how I told you already. U-T. Yeah. Stu. Dent. How we say dentist? Dent. Student. Professor. Double S sound snake. Professor. In. G. I know G-E in German it should be gay. But this word has some relation with the French sound. So it has a sound of French here. So engineer. 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 Engineerin. Engineer. Engineerin. Journalist. Try to underline J-O-U-R and in your native language make your your. Okay. Journalist. Yeah. Journalist. 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 Architect. C-H. Architect. Boxer. Photograph. Photograph. Houseman. Houseman. Pilot. Pilot. Zenger. Zenger. Cock. Cock. C-H-K. Policist. Poli. L-I. Underline it. Write in with a pencil in your native language. Li. Z-I underline, write Z. Polycyst. Polycyst. It is not polyzyst. Don't say it in English form. Polycyst. Make a sound note of that. Larer. H sound little silent, it's fine. Larer. Baker. Friseur. Friseur. Like how we say noin, if you remember noin, it has a sound of noi. Zoe. Friseur. Okay? Friseur. Kellner. Kellner. Musiker. Fair. Now we already know the sound of fair. Now don't think that it is K. It is not K. It is not cow also. Okay? Then what it is? K, A with two dots and U. We already know the sound of A with two dots and U. When it comes together, it has a sound which we learnt in the word house. House, Häuser. So we know it is Hoi. So here it will become Koi. Käufer. Verkäufer. Schauspieler. Schauspieler. Maler. Musiker. Informatiker. R is silent. Informatiker. I'll repeat for you one more time the male sounds. Arzt. Techniker. Taxifahrer. Student. Professor. Engineer. Journalist. Architect. Boxer. Photograph. Houseman. Pilot. Sänger. Koch. Polizist. Lehrer. Baker. Friseur. Kellner. Musiker. Verkäufer. Schauspieler. Maler. Musiker. Informatiker. Now once you all are perfect with the sounds of the male profession, recap. Go revise all the nouns of the male first. Make your sounds clear. Listen the video n number of times and then come to the female part now. If you know R's properly, it will be very easy to say Ärztin, Techniker, Technikerin, Taxifahrer. Don't even look at the word and then say Taxifahrerin. You will make it sound right. Student, Studentin, Professor, Professorin, Engineer, Ingenieurin, Journalist, Journalistin, Architect, Architektin, Boxer, Boxerin, Photograph, Fotografin, Hausmann, Hausfrau, Pilot, Pilotin, Sänger, Sängerin, Koch, Köchin, Polizist, Polizistin, Lehrer, Lehrerin, Baker, Bakerin, Friseur, Friseurin. Though the spelling of the word after the word oblique is different, the meaning is same like the previous one. The meaning also and the pronunciation also. It is just an alternative word which has been introduced by German. Friseur, Friseurin. Kellner, Kellnerin. Musiker, Musikerin. Verkäufer, Verkäuferin. Schauspieler, Schauspielerin. Maler, Malerin. Informatiker, Informatikerin. Now the meanings, let's discuss about the words which I haven't given. Student is student only. Professor is professor. Journalist is journalist. Architect is architect. Boxer is boxer only. Photograph. Now though the word looks like only a photo, but in German, photograph is a person who takes photo. Houseman. Now as we know, we are modern India now. So it's natural, and today everywhere it's the same, that even the males, they are at home sometimes taking care of the family. So that time we can call them houseman, when they take care of the family being at home. Yeah, houseman. Hausfrau, this we everybody knows, housewife. Yeah, Pilot, pilotin is pilot. Zenger is singer. Baker is the one who bakes the cake. You can also use the word as informatiker, as in computer, the one who is good with the computer science. Yeah, and computer scientists we call them. And also it can be said as informatiker engineer. It is also fine for a computer engineer. You can even say computer engineer. We can also say computer engineer. So there are different words for this version. Informatiker, actually it has more relation to the computer scientist. And computer scientist means the one who is good with the computer science. Yeah. So it is used for the word as a computer engineer. And sometimes we can also use the word engineer as a computer engineer, because we have the word computer in German.